Substantive tests are procedures to detect material misstatements in account balances, a class of transactions, and disclosure of financial statements. It is designed to test for dollar or monetary misstatement directly affecting the correctness of financial statement balances.
Substantive tests also perform on specific transactions and balances to see whether the dollar amount of an account balance is materially misstated. These tests also reduce detection risk. There are two general categories of substantive tests, which are analytical procedures and tests of details.
Then, analytical process. Analytical process is the study and comparison of relationship between accounting data and related information, and then focus on the reasonableness of relationship and also identify unusual fluctuation for investigation. The purposes of analytical procedures is to assist the auditor in planning other audit procedures, and then as a substantive test to obtain evidence about assertion, and as an overall review of the final information near the end of the audit.
So, what is test of details? Test of details are involving obtaining evidence on the items or details included in an account, balance, class of transactions, or disclosure. It is also a procedure used by auditors to examine and verify the individual transactions, balances, or items in a company's financial statement. These tests are designed to obtain specific detailed evidence regarding the accuracy, completeness, and validity of the financial information reported by the company.
Next, test of detail of balances. It's focused on ending general ledger balances for both balance sheet and income statement account. For example, confirmation of customer balances for account receivable, physical examination of inventory, and examination of vendor statement for account payable. Test of detail of balances help to establish the monetary correctness of the account they relate to and therefore are substantive tests. For example, confirmation test for monetary misstatement in account receivable.
Test of transactions. Test of transaction is test of processing of individual transactions by inspecting relevant documents and accounting records. For example, sample of shipping documents traced to journal.